Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome to my channel. I have a cute Halloween wreath for you today. It's very quick and easy to make. The tools that we're going to be needing are a pair of scissors, glue gun and glue sticks. And then our materials, you're going to need several bags of the eyeballs. They come in 3 different colors, blue, red, and yellow. You'll need some of each. 1 package of black mesh, some black ribbon, and a foam wreath form from the Dollar Tree. All of the items that I'll be using in this wreath come from the Dollar Tree. Okay, let's get started. So I opened up my packages of eyeballs and put them in this container so they're easy to access. And I took the plastic off my mesh. So what we're going to do is pull the mesh together, kind of fold it together so it's thick. And then we're going to cover the base of the wreath because I want to make sure that I don't see any of the green coming through when I attach the rest. Use a little bit of hot glue to get it started. Best thing to do is to make sure you wrap it over itself. Okay. Now it's nice and secure. Now I'm just going to go around and wrap until I get the base all covered. Okay, so that's what we want. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and I'll be right back. So I have the form all covered. It took an entire roll of the black mesh to cover it. Now I'm going to take the ends and glue them down. Use a craft stick to help hold it down. Don't want to burn yourself. It'll take a few minutes for that to really set. Once it's set, just cut off any excess. Okay, we're going to set that aside. Now you're going to take some of your black ribbon. I'm going to make a hanger. Double it over, measure it out long enough so you can tie it. Now what I'm going to do is so I cut a little loop. That's how I'm going to hang it. And now I'm going to tie it on to the wreath. I don't know if you can see that, but I double knotted it. So it's nice and strong. Trim off any excess ribbon. And I'm going to also hit it with just a little bit of glue. I want to make sure it doesn't come apart on me. Okay, so that is how we're going to hang it. The rest is relatively easy. Just going to take our little eyeballs and glue them on. Want to cover the entire wreath with the eyeballs. You just want to make sure that you vary the color and the direction the eyes are looking. So you want to make them offset just a little bit so that they're not all staring straight forward. It'll make the wreath a little bit more creepy that way. You want to try to get them as close together as you can. You want to make sure that you work around the very top part first, all the way around, and then go back and fill in on the sides. And just make sure that you vary the direction that the eyes are looking. A little bit of hot glue. Glue that puppy on. Also, while you're going around the center, you don't want them to be exactly in the center. Kind of go back and forth off center. Everything should look kind of a mishap. You don't want any kind of pattern. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue the rest of these on. Make sure whenever you're looking at a craft video that you check the description box. The description box will have a full list of all the tools and materials needed, plus a cost of what the project will cost you. Okay, I'll be right back. I wanted to give you a peek on how far I've gotten so far. It's looking pretty good, but you can see that you're still going to be able to see some of the wreath through. That's why I wrapped it in the black. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and then I'll be back and show you the final product. We have all of the eyeballs glued on. I used a total of 9 packages of eyeballs. I think it came out really cute. I think any little boy or girl that came up to your door would absolutely love this on Halloween. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like DIYs, crafts, and hauls, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. When you hit the subscribe button, a little bell will pop up. That's the notification bell. If you hit that too, YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new video. I also have a Facebook group, Michelle Smith Creations. There you can find sneak peeks of upcoming crafts. You're able to talk to me directly and ask questions, and you can post some of your own work. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.